हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज़ निकिता एंड वेलकम बैक टू इंडिया नॉलेज नेटवर्क। आप सभी के कमेंट्स आ रहे थे कि मैं यूपीएससी भवन के सामने क्यों नहीं आ रही हूँ, तो फाइनली आई एम हियर एट यूपीएससी भवन फॉर इंटरव्यू। आपके क्वेश्चंस लेके मैं कैंडिडेट्स के पास जाती हूँ और पूछते हैं कि कैसा रहा उनका एक्सपीरियंस विद योर क्वेश्चंस। ओके, टेल अस योर नेम फर्स्ट।
Alex Abraham.
Okay, so how was your interview?
It was pleasant. The board was very cordial.
So which attempt was this?
This has been my second attempt in UPSC.
Okay, and interview?
This has been my second interview.
Okay, so you got selected for interview last year as well.
Yeah.
Okay, so what changes have you done for this interview? What major changes you have done like for this interview?
I have stressed a bit more on the current affairs part. So last time I was a bit weak on current affairs. And I brushed the DAF also. A bit more detailed study on the DAF was also done. You know the DAF, the detailed application. So that was a major change which I have brought this time. Since I am experienced, so this not much change has been done. These two areas was given more focus.
So what all questions did they ask?
They asked about the health sector. They asked about my work profile, what I have learned from Doha, where I have worked earlier. And they asked about light pollution, so some kinds of questions. And they asked about why invaders are coming to North India, so some questions were asked also.
So did they ask any question where you got stuck and you have nothing to answer, or how did you handle that situation?
They asked me, there was a recent RBI dikkat regarding data localization. So they started from MasterCard. So I don't know what was the issue. So I told them I don't know the issue. Then the lady member explained what that was. Then I was able to answer that.
So by profession, what are you?
I'm a civil engineer by profession.
So what did they ask? Like how your profession helped in UPSC preparation?
They asked me what were my opportunities as well as threats I had to face while pursuing my career as a civil engineer. No other questions regarding civil engineering was asked.
So in your UPSC preparations, how did this help you throughout?
Civil engineering, it helped me to take the optional as geography because we study a paper on geology. So there was some link and regarding the urban planning and everything. So also dealt in civil engineering. So that helped me to choose the option as geography. Other than that, there was not much help from the part of civil engineering.
So what did they ask in geography? For geography?
No, they didn't ask any question particularly regarding geography. No.
So any question from current affairs?
Current affairs, there was something regarding the issues of Kerala because I am from Kerala. So they asked from Kerala. And then they asked about the issues in health sector. How the pharmaceuticals are being developed, or such kinds of questions was asked.
Okay, so as you know, prelims are coming. So any advice to the aspirants who are preparing for the prelims?
Study well.
Because you have selected for interview to like you have attempted last year and this year, and you are selected for the interview. So that's a huge thing. So your advice matters.
Focus on 4 subjects: economics, modern India, polity, environment. That will help you to clear the prelims.
Any advice to the people who are coming for the interview?
Study well. No, prepare more on your DAF because that they all know what they won't be taking my advice. But prepare on DAF and don't focus on the factual parts. For me, they was not worried about the factual parts. They were asking more of opinion kinds of question. So create your opinion rather than focusing on facts, and be thorough with the DAF. That's it.
So that's great, and we hope that you got selected in this interview, and we will take your next interview as an IAS officer. All the very best.
Thank you.